So if you're not sure which formula to use on problem 4 and 5, read the question first and see what it's asking of you. You're starting your own small business in Albuquerque. You borrowed $10,000 from the bank at a 9% rate for 5 years. Find the interest you will pay on this loan. So right there it tells us we want to find the interest, so I know that I may have I. And then I see a rate and a time and a principal, so that I know that this is our PRT formula, because we haven't worked with any other interest with this chapter. So we're going to write as we talk. It says you borrowed $10,000, which is our principal. So whenever it says borrow, deposit, initial amount, starting amount, that's your principal. Then it says 9% rate, but I have to convert that 9% to a decimal. So it's going to be 0.09 is our rate. And then it says 5 years. So 5 is our T. And it tells us we are finding the interest. So I'm going to put a question mark there. Now I wrote my formula up here. I equals PRT. We're going to now plug in our numbers and substitute them for the letters they have. So I'm going to have I equals 10,000 is being substituted for P. Then 0.09 is being substituted for R. And then 5 is being substituted for time. So you're going to multiply 10,000 times 0.09 times 5. Which is $4,500. So the interest is $4,500. Now we're going to use the same formula for number 5. So we're going to write as we talk. A bank is offering a 2.5%. We know percent is our rate, and we got to convert it to decimal. So 0.025. Simple interest on a savings account. If you deposit $5,000, so that's our starting amount, which is our principal. How much interest will you earn in 1 year? So our time is 1. And we're going to put a question mark again for our interest, because that's what we're looking for. So we're going to plug in our amounts for our letters. So I'm going to substitute 5,000 for P. I'm going to substitute 0.025 for R. I'm going to substitute 1 for T. When I multiply all these together, I get my interest of $125.